Okay, hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for coming back for another video. As you can see, we've got a handsome regular guest.
Yeah, finally, I'm back.
You're back, yeah. Welcome back, Daiki. How are you?
Pretty good.
What's new? What's new in Daiki land?
Just be honest, no news.
No news?
Yeah.
Okay, you're looking nice and dark. You've been outside.
Oh, maybe I think it's hard to
get
see
whiter?
my master here. Yeah.
Oh, he's pumping iron now, so.
Yeah,
You're flexing for the audience? Okay, there
maybe
we
you
go.
can't recognize my master, right?
Don't worry, it's coming soon.
Yeah.
So I brought you here to share some of UK's wonderful cuisine again.
Wonderful. Really?
Yeah? Oh, didn't you like the old
No,
ones?
I didn't say.
Well, as you might remember, we've had a lot of videos. I'm going to put them here. Where we've been trying, previously on the channel.
Yep.
We've been trying British snacks, American snacks too.
We tried that.
We tried them all.
Yeah.
So we're going to move on to some important parts of daily diet in England, but maybe you don't have any. Yeah, pretty important. Depends where you're from, I guess. We're going to try some. We've got some cup noodles here. Of course, Japan's famous for cup noodles, but UK has them too. So we've got a pot noodle, famous for students to eat in England.
Yeah.
Who eats pot noodles or cup noodles in Japan?
For
What kind of people?
what kind of people?
Like workers or kids or
Depends. Maybe anybody. Yeah.
everybody?
Yeah.
Okay.
Especially busy salesmen.
Okay.
Because they don't have enough time to eat something, so they
Right.
usually just putting water, like eat it.
Oh, that's good. Yeah.
Yeah.
So instant noodles are very popular in Japan. Well, you're a busy guy, so I'm going to show you the British style. We've got beef and tomato here. Is that usual flavour for
Beef tomato?
Yeah.
No.
No?
I've never seen those.
Okay.
before.
Well, today's
beef
it's the day of
tomato.
first.
Yeah.
So we're going to start this off. I'm going to. Normally it takes like 3 minutes, doesn't it, for a cup noodle?
Okay.
So I'm going to get the
what is
sauce
that?
out. We've got a little sauce in there.
Is that sauce?
Tomato sauce. Okay, and our dried noodles inside.
Yeah.
Does that look good to you?
Can you smell that?
Can you smell anything?
Oh. Honestly, it's really good.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we've got some water here, so we've got to leave this for 4 minutes. That gives us enough time to try something else too. And gives you enough time to subscribe, like this video,
Yeah, please.
leave a comment while we're waiting. And share this channel.
Yeah.
If you want to know what British food's like, here we go.
If you share this video,
we
maybe
go.
you can discount. You can use discount of this cup noodle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You might do. Maybe we'll get a
sorry, we are not
sponsor.
sponsored.
We're not sponsored, but maybe one day we'll get that pot noodle money. Money from Big Noodle. We've also got this. We've got some rice pudding.
What is that? Rice pudding?
Have you never heard of rice pudding before?
No.
What do you think it is from the name?
Like weird.
Weird.
Like mixing rice and milk, right?
Right, that's true.
Yeah, it's like my imagination is just be honest, disgusting.
Disgusting. Oh, that's a good
rice
start.
and milk. No,
I guess in Japan we don't really use rice in desserts, right?
maybe we don't have it.
Right. You eat rice a lot, but
Yeah,
not in sweet form.
no sweet.
Okay. Well, today's the day. You're gonna change your.
Yeah,
Gonna blow your mind.
yeah. See, new adventure.
So yeah,
world.
This is quite popular in England to get rice pudding. It's
So,
kind of old-fashioned dessert, I guess.
Dessert.
Yeah.
So
Ooh,
British kids always eat it
I guess
as
it
a
depends.
snack or.
I mean, yogurts are popular, but like my parents' generation.
Yeah, this
rice
cup
pudding is
looks
popular.
like, like maybe if you are Japanese, maybe you can recognize it, like yogurt, right?
Yeah, it's the same
It's similar. but-
area.
Yeah,
Should we crack one open? Just give it a try. We've got the 4 packs here. We can eat it hot or cold. Do you want to try cold?
yeah, cold.
Okay, cold rice pudding.
Because it's
Oh dear, I didn't rip that off very well. I should put some tissues down. Okay, I'm just going to clean that later.
because it's video.
Yep.
We don't have enough time.
No, we don't. Okay, I can't just edit.
Oh,
There we go. Here's some rice pudding for you.
yogurt.
Does that look nice?
No,
Yogurt? Yeah, just think of it just like yogurt plus.
no smell.
Oh, that's good. That's a good sign. Do you want to do the honors?
Yeah. Let's dig in.
I like it actually, but yeah, you go first.
Thanks.
Oh no! Give it a try.
Okay.
It's nice.
I'm gonna
It's
try.
nice.
I'm gonna try.
You've tried condensed milk before, right?
Is it? What is it?
It's a bit like that.
Is it also
Sure,
rice
sure,
and
sure.
milk? Like no vegetables?
No, just rice and milk. They sort of
No fruits?
They cook it in the. You can add like fruit sauce or jam or something like
Okay,
that.
I'm gonna
or
try. I'm gonna
caramel.
try.
Okay,
Wait.
give it a try.
Here.
Let me give it a try too. A little bit. Oh dear. It's not going well. Got a nice bit there for you. You want to try some?
Okay.
What do you think?
Should I give her my score or my?
What's on your mind? Just let us know.
Okay. Not bad.
Okay.
Yeah. But not good. It's not bad, not good. How can I say English?
You've been very
It's
polite.
very hard to explain this taste, but
Well, try some
I've
more
never
then.
tried it before.
Try some more.
What is
Maybe we
this? It's not. Can you see that? Maybe you can recognize this. Is that rice?
Yeah, it's rice. I don't know. Maybe it's a different kind of rice to
What is
Japanese
this
rice.
harder stuff right there?
The hard stuff. That's the
Yeah.
rice.
That's a rice.
Yeah.
Okay.
It doesn't just
rice
dissolve.
and milk.
It's
Okay.
rice and milk. So the milk's kind of.
So I'm gonna try a second time.
Okay, go for it. He's talking a lot. I don't think he wants to try it. Oh. So I wonder why a lot of Japanese people talk to me and they say, "Is it true English food's not good?"
Yeah.
And I say, "What? What are you talking about?"
Like this harder stuff is like is it rice, right?
It's rice.
Yeah.
Why do you think?
Is that rice?
What do you think I'm giving you? It's not bugs or something.
Yeah, no.
Well, it might be. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't think it is. What does it say? What ingredients do we have?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Milk,
Milk,
whey. That's all milk products. Rice, sugar. Yeah, it's mostly just rice and sugar and milk.
Wow.
Very simple. You can make it at home.
Really?
Yeah, if you want to. I feel like you don't want
Yeah.
to.
No thanks.
It's a bit gelatinous. It's quite thick. Oops.
Oh. So you like it?
No.
Oh really?
Mm.
When was the first time did you eat it?
First
You ate
time.
it?
No, I
Yeah.
don't even remember.
You
When I
don't
was young.
remember? So maybe you are young.
Mm.
That's the first time you ate it. Okay.
We used to have it. If you cook it in the oven, the top of it, the milk gets a kind of skin,
Yeah.
and the skin goes kind of brown. So you get this brown skin on top.
Right.
It's really sweet. Some people like that.
So if I go to the supermarket in the UK,
Yeah.
so every supermarket has it.
Definitely.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay. What's the score? Out of 10?
Out of 10?
Yeah.
4.
4. Oh no.
Okay. 4.
Okay. well,
Yeah.
we're not changing minds today. Okay, let's put that out of the way.
Well, that's
So-
good. Well, depending on the person. Yeah.
Really.
Yeah.
But depending on this person.
Mm,
Okay.
4.
There we go.
My
4
my
points.
score is 4.
Do I have to give a score? Well, that was just a plain one, so maybe I'll give that a 7.
7.
Yeah.
Oh, it's high.
Good for me. But they have some with like caramel sauce or
Yeah, that's good.
strawberry sauce.
Yeah.
something like that. That's good. Okay, well, we're ready for the pot noodle.
Yep.
Pot noodle's ready. 4 minutes have gone by at least.
Oh.
Let's see. Do you wanna
Yeah.
open it? Kind of steal all the fun. Okay, what's gonna be inside? Oh, it doesn't look too bad.
Yep.
Okay, we've got some chopsticks. Yeah, be careful, don't
Yeah.
pour it all out. How about the smell?
Cup noodle.
Cup noodle.
Yep.
Okay,
It's the same.
maybe the technology has improved
Very
since I was
yeah.
a kid. A lot of bubbles. That's a bit strange. Oh, we need to add the sauce, don't we?
Oh, sauce.
Yeah, should we do that now?
Yep.
Do you wanna go for it? I think you just tear from.
Right in your hands.
It's in your hands. Hopefully, it's not gonna be on your hands.
Okay.
What's it say?
Okay, it's in my hands.
Success is 90% inspiration.
Oh, really?
Wow, we're inspired. You can make it, it says. Is that just ketchup?
Yeah.
Have you put ketchup in cup noodle before?
No.
Right, it's strange, right? Don't think I've done that before either.
Okay. This is ketchup.
Yeah. Let's
So-
see how.
Should I?
Yeah, go for it. You can mix it up a bit.
Okay, should I mix it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, when I was a kid, pot noodle didn't have such a good reputation. I think it was. I'll get a bit deeper in there. Really,
Okay.
there might be something congealed lump of powder or something.
Okay.
Oh. Okay,
Okay.
you're going for it.
Wow.
Does it look good?
Can I first try?
Yeah. Go
Sure.
ahead. Go ahead.
Thanks. Oh.
Okay. It's quite hot still. It's not
Okay.
lots of stuff in there. There's some dried
いただき
peas.
ます。
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. That's some kind of reaction. Okay, beef and tomato. I'm gonna have a little bit too while we're trying to get a reaction.
Okay. I understand this taste.
You understand?
I understand.
Okay. I'll get some. A bit slippery. It's gonna be hot.
Yeah.
Mm.
Mm. 美味しいね。
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like it.
I definitely tasted tomato, like the tomato sauce.
Yeah.
It's kind of a weird taste.
Yeah,
The
but
tomato sauce is kind of a.
I can't recognize red beef. Yeah. Tomato is, yeah, it tastes a bit, but
Yeah.
beef is, where is beef?
What are those little bits? Is that like sun-dried
Yeah.
tomato, maybe?
But I think, yeah, it's really good. Yeah.
Do you want to drink some of the soup? It's gonna be hot though.
Oh.
Yeah, over a second round. How about you guys at home? Do you like pot noodles? Have you tried Japanese cup noodles too? Please let me know.
Yeah. But you stay in Japan maybe for a long time, so maybe you, ever tried many types of, cup noodle before.
I don't eat that much cup noodles, I guess. But
Yeah, compared to Japanese cup noodle. So yeah, what do you think it?
I'm not convinced by the sauce, the soup.
Mhm.
It seems a bit weak.
Weak, yeah.
Yeah, not a strong taste.
Yeah, I think so. What about noodle?
Pretty normal.
Normal.
They're a bit. I don't know. I don't know if they're different. There's no oil. It doesn't feel very oily.
Yeah.
A lot of like cup noodles have something in the powder that makes it oily. Like
Yeah.
dried oil. I don't know if that makes sense.
Fried or yeah, and also it's fried.
Yeah.
Is it fried?
I'm not sure. What did they say? Just a dream. Oh. There's a lot of nonsense written on here.
Yeah.
Dried noodles, tomatoes, sugar, peas. Yeah, it's difficult to say really.
Yeah. 美味しいね。
Really?
Mm.
Oh, I'm happy. I'm happy something was good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try a bit too.
Maybe I should go to the UK.
Really?
Yeah, to get it.
Get some rice pudding too.
Mm.
Yeah. Oh dear, it's all falling off.
Second bite.
It's fine, but yeah, I'm just
Yeah.
getting like watery ketchup.
For in the UK, so who do you usually use it and eat it?
Maybe like students, because it's cheap.
Oh, they usually recognize it as a snack or like food.
I don't think it's like office workers don't really eat
I eat
very
it.
much. They probably get a sandwich or something instead.
Oh,
Yeah.
students.
Yeah, well, that's the image we have anyway, because it's like cheap food
Oh,
and it's easy to.
so
Do you want to try
Yeah.
the soup?
so if I go to Oxford University,
Yeah.
and also cafeteria, many students eat it.
Maybe.
Oh.
That might be like old-fashioned.
Oh.
Maybe. I want to try some of the soup, but
Yeah.
do you want to try? I always burn my tongue when I have stuff like that.
Yeah. Tomato.
There's no beef there.
No beef.
Where's the beef?
I don't know.
Where's the beef?
Where's the beef?
Yeah. This is a beef tomato. You know, they got those giant tomatoes. They call beef tomatoes.
Yeah.
You can slice them up, and
Yeah.
maybe it's not actually beef. Oh, okay. Well, that wasn't too bad. I'll let you eat some of that. I'm gonna have some of the rice pudding while you're eating that.
Yeah.
Gosh.
Mm.
Okay. So, what do you think of new British food I've introduced today?
Yeah.
What score do you give for the pot noodle? Oh, I'm blowing on it.
7. Yeah.
Okay.
I like this taste.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought it's a bit weak. I'll give it 6 from me.
Noodle. Oh, 6.
Yeah. I was expecting something a bit beefier, but
Yeah.
it's disappointing.
But if you
Oh, okay.
but if you're curious about Japanese Japanese cup noodle, maybe you can see some videos.
Yeah.
Maybe you introduce Japanese
Maybe
nishi.
I could be one of those food YouTubers
Yeah.
who are just eating like 10 cup noodles in one video or something.
Wow.
I'm gonna be like 200 kilos.
Unhealthy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that's enough about that then. So thank you for watching. I hope that was interesting.
Yeah.
Was it interesting for you?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Okay.
So interesting.
Well, don't be a stranger. Come back soon.
Yeah.
Another video.
Yeah.
Good. We look like twins, don't we? It's like
Yeah.
black and white
Looks like 2 pieces in a pot.
t-shirts. But yeah, 2 peas in a pot. That's right. Dried peas in a pot noodle.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Bye
See you
bye.
soon. Take care. Bye bye.